Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles. Features also include towing package, blind spot monitor, cooled seats, ventilated seats. With these ratings, you are going to love 2015 Enclave. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, FWD. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, navigation from telematics. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.